Is everyone ready? Let's get ready for chemistry! When you're going to do calculations, when the system is at equilibrium, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you write the expression that goes with that equation, or vice versa. So the expression here would be K equals products raised to their coefficients divided by reactants raised to their coefficients. So products raised to their coefficients divided by reactants raised to their coefficients, excluding solids and liquids. All right, so there's the expression. If you have 0.15 molar hydrogen at equilibrium with 0.15 molar iodine at equilibrium with 0.11 molar hydrogen iodide, and that's all at equilibrium, you can find the equilibrium constant K. So you would just take those equilibrium concentrations and you would plug them into the equilibrium expression. So the equilibrium constant for this reaction would be 0.45. The equilibrium constant is a unitless ratio, so it wouldn't have any units with it when you're done. Is everyone ready? Let's get ready for chemistry! Yeah.